Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to SA Social Media News, where we get to bring you the hottest tip and happening entertainment news. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Makhadzi finally decided to tell her side of the story at what actually transpired that possibly could have led Babes Wodumo to go to her live and call her all sorts of names. Babes Wodumo has become notorious for drinking and going to her Instagram live to curse out people, and this time Makhadzi wasn't letting this one slide. She spoke about everything. Here's the video, and please don't forget to comment, share, like, and subscribe.
I was trying to tell you, Babe Sodumo, that you were supposed to respect the fact that ever since I came to your studio, you have never had anyone talking about whatever happened to the studio. I kept quiet. I didn't even share with anyone. You understand? The only person I spoke to is my boyfriend. I told him, Uri, yes, you were fighting for your boyfriend to not look at me. And it's something that I cannot control. I came to your studio to work. I came to your studio because of I wanted my pincher. Actually, I'm not even the one who spoke to my pincher. It's my management. My management, they spoke to my pincher to put a verse. When I came to your studio, firstly, what you didn't want me to record. You fought with my pincher in front of everyone. You told me that you are the one who discovered me before my pincher. You told me your problems, you like a lot of things which I can't even reveal now. So you didn't want me to record with Mampincha because of it was supposed to be you, not Mampincha. So we had to fight with you to make a song which is not even unreleased now. For you at least to calm down, to let Mampincha record. I seated in a studio almost 5 hours, waiting for Mampincha to put only 4 bar. Because of you were making noise, you were acting up, you were pouring computer with, like, imagine as a visitor, it was my first day in your studio, but we had to, you were acting up, pouring, what do you call, alcohol in the computer. You didn't even able to control yourself in front of the visitors. But I had to wait because of I wanted to work. Out of the blue, when I go outside, like, of course, it's in the studio, I must take my calls. When I go out, your money will follow me, and it's not my problem for him to follow me. I'm taking a call because of your men. When now you must deal with your men, not me. Your men followed me. You came there, you were making noise. Like, really? Do you think I can control for someone to not look at me, for someone to not follow me? So you were supposed to deal with your men. And funny thing is, I didn't even have your men's number. Even today, I don't have your men's number. Of course, it's in the studio. I must take my calls. When I go out, your money will follow me, and it's not my problem for him to follow me. I'm taking a call because of your men. When now you must deal with your men, not me. Your men followed me. You came there. You were making noise. Like, really? Do you think I can control for someone to not look at me, for someone to not follow me? So you were supposed to deal with your men. And funny thing is, I didn't even have your men's number. Even today, I don't have your men's number. I don't even know, maybe you have my number. I got it from where, I don't know. For sure, he's texting me. I don't even reply because I don't have your men's number. Today, you are here fighting, looking for attention, tarnishing my name. So please stop tarnishing my name. I'm here to reply this because of I can see now even the newspapers, they're starting to write lies about me. No, I didn't take your men. I don't go around taking other people's men unless if the men came to me and lied to me. Of course, I came to the studio. I know you and my pincher, you are together, you've been together. And come to the studio, my intention was to work, not to do funny things. And for the fact that I came with my management team, I came with my manager. I came with my management, 3 of them. So do you think I'm just stupid to just do funny things in front of my manager? You have your own problem with your men. And you are the one who was beating your men in front of us. You were fighting with your men for looking at me, just to look at me. So do you think I was supposed to control your men to not look at me? Like, really? So I managed to keep this thing as a secret because of I respected you as a woman. I can't go around and tell people whatever happened in the studio because whatever happened, so now, because of you have a problem or you want attention, you are bringing no. No. I cannot do that. I have my own boyfriend, and beside that, maybe you can look at me as if like I'm cheap. I'm not cheap like that. If I was cheap, you were gonna find every day. Makhadzi, wait, I mean. So my sister, I respect myself, and I don't go around sleeping with people's men. I don't do that. So please respect me, my sister. I respect you very much. Please respect me. Don't tarnish my name about stupid things. I'm begging you.